Thank you for tuning in to Podcast VAs Philippines, the biggest community for Filipino podcast virtual assistants and podcasters alike, created to connect podcasters and podcast producers, as well as help aspirants learn more about podcasting and podcast management. To join our exclusive Facebook group, search Podcast VAs Philippines dahil sama-sama tayo rito. And you don't need to take your podcast journey alone. Podcast VAs Philippines is powered by Zencaster, the first web-based platform that records high-quality audio and now video, because internet dropouts should not affect the quality of your recordings. Sign up for a 100% free hobbyist account or get a 20% off Zencaster's Pro plan for 3 months by using the coupon code PODCASTVAs. What's your motivation and message to your audience, to everyone watching right now? Miko, start tayo kay Miko.
Parang hirap nito. Nag-isip ko.
World peace.
Okay. So, ito yung lagi sinasabi sa akin ng mentor ko in relation with podcasting. Sabi niya sa akin, just remember the 3M. Sabi ko, what is 3M? Hindi naman manok or adobong manok? No. Sabi niya, remember your 3M. The first M, your message. So who is the people? Yung hinahanap mong people. So ano yung message mo para sa kanila? And then, you find the market. So which is, ano yung mabibigay mo sa kanila na para ma-resolve yung problema nila, yung pain ng audience mo. So you find your own market. Yung sabi na iba is niche. You find your niche, your message, and the third one is the media. So which means, saan mo makikita yung target market mo, your audience mo? Ito ba sa TikTok? Ito ba sa podcasting? Ito ba sa YouTube? So find the good target market media, doon mo sila puntahan. Yun ang lagi sa akin sinasabi na nagbo-motivate sa akin na find yung 3M. Isa pa is yung get your just one true fan na that pay you, stay, and refer. Just one true fan na pay, stay, and refer, and then do it again. Do it again. Do it again. So which means goes to 100,000 true fans. Yun yung laging sinasabi sa akin. Engage and educate yung audience may understand. Yun. At syempre is motivation is yung every time sa morning, pag gumagawa ka ng podcasting mo, yung content mo, feel mo na nakakatulong ka sa iba by your content as well. Ate Eloy.
Ako, simple lang motivation ko. Pamilya lagi para sa akin. Family to me is everything. Alam yan, Nise. Pag magulo yung loob ng bahay namin, hindi mo ako I cannot find my superpowers. And then yung message ko sa audience is, this is also the same thing yung kanina, yung pinag-uusapan na yung sa competition na sabi ni Miko, it's mas masaya ngayon kasi parang collaborative, not really as competition yung tingin sa kapwa mo na podcast producer, podcast manager, podcaster, ganyan. You do not look at them as a competition. Right now, hindi na uso yung ganon. Narinig ko sa isang keynote ng isang event ng asawa ni Brother Bo na they also gone through that specific challenge na nagtataka sila bakit Brother Bo is allowing other book author to promote yung books nila doon sa loob mismo ng feast. Diretsong kalaban to nila Brother Bo. And then, sinabihan lang sila ni Brother Bo because that's not how we do business. How we do business now is not because we wanted to take down the competition, but because we wanted to pull it up and look at it as a co-opetition. So, cooperation and competition, pinag-combine nila kasi mas magandang magawa ng business na hindi ka magpapababa ng ibang tao para tumaas yung yung kagandahan ng serbisyo mo. So yun ang aking message sa audience. Take it away, Kai!
Okay, sa motivation, of course, hindi mo mawawala yun, syempre, yung family, di ba? Kasi, ako, personally, one of my reasons talaga kung bakit pinush ko na mag-work at home. Kasi before, 'di ba, parang mino-motivate ako, tinatanong ako, wala ka bang plans na mag-abroad? Kasi yung ate ko nag-a-abroad siya. Hanggang actually ngayon nasa abroad din siya. Pero it's a long story. Pero ayun nga, I'm not against going abroad. Pero if you can build your own kasama yung pamilya mo, why not? 'Di ba? Like for example, this yung mga gantong instances na pandemic, 'di ba? Hindi ka maaaning kasi kasama mo sila. Hindi mo maiisip na ano nangyayari, I have to still provide, pero nababaliw ako kasi hindi ko sila kasama. And another thing is, ayun nga, one of my goals for Podcast Warriors din, and of course sa community ng podcasting, is to, alam mo yun, for us to build an empire of world-class service providers. Kasi meron din, siguro sa ibang countries, meron pa ring stigma na pag Filipino, kailangan gantong rate ka lang, 'di ba? May mga ganon. Pero that's one of the things na siguro nagiging motivation ko din. Ayun nga, that's why I am doing what I do. Kasi alam mo yun, we're world class. Yun siya 'di ba? And another thing naman dun sa mga message saan yun? To your audience. Okay, to your audience. Okay, whatever it is that you think you like to do, that you know is aligned to your goals and to your values, ganyan, gawin mo lang siya. Kasi hindi ka makakakuha ng sagot if something is suitable for you, if you keep on thinking about it, kung okay siya or hindi. Ang results, yung kailangan mong i-analyze, hindi yung thoughts mo. Kasi pagka in-analyze mo yung thoughts mo, walang mangyayari. So, keep on doing what you do, ganyan. Tapos, analyze lang if it's something that you are happy doing, kung okay ba yung results mo doon. Plus, take care of yourselves, ganyan. Naging advocate na talaga ng holistic no? Take care of yourselves. Alam ko yung mga freelancers, we're really hardworking kasi we want to really build our own business and to acquire more clients. Lalo sa panahon ngayon, we have to remember na kailangan nating i-protect yung sarili natin kasi kahit na gaano kadaming clients meron tayo, pag tinamaan talaga tayo ng pag-test ng life, 'di ba? We don't want ourselves or our bodies to give up on us. We want them to be our friends, not our enemies. So, 'yun. And magkatawag ba ako? Si RA.
Okay. Motivation, same din, family din. Since I started na working from home full time, parang I can look after my daughter. So that was 2018, I think. Yun, so nagtuloy-tuloy lang. Basta siguro, yun nga, find something din na align nga din dun sa values mo. Tama yung sinabi ni Kai, ganun din. Kasi kung, for example, pinili mo maging podcast VA, but then ayaw mo pala makinig ng podcast, parang nababurn out ka pala mag-edit ng show. So, parang ang motivation mo lang doon is money. Hindi rin siguro tatagal yung journey mo sa podcasting industry. Kasi nga, podcasting is more than monetary din Kaya sinabi ko kanina, 'di ba? You learn din, and siguro mahalin mo rin yung yung shows ng clients mo kasi kumbaga ikaw yung tao behind sa show niya. So, provide quality and provide din solution for your clients. And siguro as a podcaster naman, hindi pa ako podcaster dahil nga madami pang hanas sa buhay. So, yun. As a podcaster siguro, yun, listen to your audience and siguro survey sa email list kasi ganun din ginagawa ng mga clients ko. Sinusurvey talaga nila yung audience nila or subscribers nila kung ano yung topic na gusto nilang marinig para nandun yung sustainability ng show. Para tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pakikinig ng mga listeners niya and mas maingganyo pa yung mga listeners niya na i-share yung episodes mo sa network nila. Yun lang. Sana tama yung sagot ko. Ikaw naman, Mami Se.
Oh my God, hirap na hirap akong sundan yung mga sagot nyo. Hirap ng huli. Copy-paste na lang kaya ako. Ayan, copy-paste na lang. Pero, hirap talaga, promise. Parang, lahat ng sinabi niya, yun din yung motivation. And at the same time, yung message ko dun sa mga nandito ngayon. But,
siguro if there's one thing, especially nasa Podcast VA Philippines tayo and yung mga members natin are also aspiring podcast producers, siguro ang message ko sa kanila is start with the end goal in mind. So if you're someone who wants to start to be in this business ng podcast production, start ka muna dun sa one step na dapat mong gawin ngayon to move your service forward. Kasi kung iisipin mo agad is the end goal na yung may pera, na meron ka na agad team, ma-overwhelm ka lang and baka mamaya yun yung analysis paralysis. Parang right now, assess kung nasaan ka na, tapos isipin mo ano ba yung next step na dapat kong gawin for me to move from this stage to this stage. Parang baby steps para mas magawa nating actions towards our goal.
I hope that episode helped. Be on the loop for future episode with loads of learning by subscribing to this podcast on Spotify, YouTube, Amazon Podcast, or wherever you listen to your podcast. Connect with Filipino podcasters, podcast VAs, and aspiring podcast VAs by joining our group. You may also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Simply search Podcast VAs Philippines. For questions or inquiries, email us at podcastvasph@gmail.com. I hope you have a great day, keep hustling, and we'll see you on the next one.